Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we're making coconut rice. I've known coconut rice for the longest time, but I haven't been a very big fan of it. But today we're going to make the coconut rice because I recently made coconut milk. Check my channel for the video. So I have my rice. I'm going to parboil my rice because I am using Nigerian made rice, which is the big bowl rice. So I wash my rice, put it in a boiling water, allow it to steam for about 5 minutes or thereabouts, and then I'm going to strain this. And in the same pot, adding some oil, I'm going to saute my chopped onions. Yes, I like my onions properly sauteed so that before the food is done, it has kind of dissolved. Then I'm adding here right here I'm adding my peppers. Yes, I use them, the long chili peppers and some habanero peppers. There are no tatashi here. So I chop them up using a mini chopper and I'm adding it to my sauteed onions and oil. And as well as this oil has been seasoned as well. So stir it up for about 5 minutes and allow this to heat up, allow it to release its flavors and let it, get into the oil very well. Then I seasoned it more using salt. This particular coconut rice, I'm going to be cooking it with dry fish, specifically dry catfish, because I've seen so many recipes online and majorly they use panla, but I have catfish. So guys, next thing I'm adding my ginger garlic paste. I love ginger garlic paste a lot because it improves the flavor of food. My bay leaves, my seasoning cubes. Nobody talks about how hard it is to break up seasoning cubes. But anyway, shall we move? Next is my meat stock. This meat stock is, I don't even know whether it's chicken or beef, but I know it's meat stock from my freezer. Added some water and then I added my coconut milk. This coconut milk is a major or it is a key ingredient for this recipe. Allow it to come to a boil and then you're going to pour in your rice. Ensure that you check this food to ensure that your spices and seasonings are on point so that once the rice cooks you just stir it, combine it, turn it, and your food is ready. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, ensure you watch this video to the end, ask me your questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. At interval, I check up on the rice and then top up with some more seasoning so that it doesn't fall short. Allow this to cook for a few more minutes. At this point, checked and it was already dry. And then I poured in my already deboned catfish. Yes, you want to have these fish chunks in your meal. Allowed it for a few more minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes maximum, and then check if the water has dried and then stir this, combine. You can serve your family. Food is ready, guys. Thanks for watching.